How much equipment do you need to start YouTube? If you watch a lot of YouTubers, you'd believe it's a lot. But I'm betting it's not. I'm starting by filming this on my Motorola that is 6 years old, and it was a budget phone when I bought it. I would show you, but it's busy being my camera. But the reality is, a better camera isn't going to make me more comfortable once I press record. I have a really old tripod, super cheap too. Has this novel feature that when I clip it to the phone, it turns the phone off. Or I can put it slightly to the side so it avoids the power button, but then it tends to tilt slowly over time. So if I go a bit wonky, it's not me, it's the tripod, honest. My lighting is a window. But better lighting isn't going to make me a better storyteller. I do own a cheap lavalier mic actually. I don't know. Looks like it's been stuck in a cupboard for 6 years. Because it has. And I'm not even using it right now because I don't want to add friction. I want to make it really easy for me to film. That's also why I'm wearing the same t-shirt in every video, because I don't want to have to think about what I'm going to wear when I'm already panicking because I got to press record. I've completely forgot my point. As I said, I lose the ability to speak when you stick a camera in my face. I guess the point is that you don't need a lot of equipment to start. You can just start. The equipment will come later. Once I can, make a video speaking coherent sentences. I don't need to start with the equipment. I think that's an excuse that I could use easily to avoid starting or to hide behind to avoid getting better. Oh, I can't be better. I've got a terrible camera. No, I can be better. There's a lot of improvement here before we need to get a new camera, which is why I am committing to not buying any equipment or subscriptions until I've completed the 100 days. Tomorrow, I'm going to be talking about how I've been using the pull paint point technique from Alexander the Create. And it's pretty much the only reason that I've actually been able to string a few coherent sentences together. But I'll go into that tomorrow.